Ladies and gentlemen, as the clock ticks towards October 6th, when Africa's most revolutionary leader, Captain Ibrahim Traore, arose the throne of Burkina Faso, we flash a torch examining what has been done so far. In just 3 years, Captain Ibrahim Traore has rewritten the story of Burkina Faso. From infrastructure to healthcare, agriculture to education, his leadership has ignited a new era of progress. Here are 30 remarkable achievements that have made him a beacon of Pan-African hope. 1. Road construction. Under Traore's leadership, Burkina Faso embarked on one of its largest road construction drives in history. Hundreds of kilometers of roads have been paved, connecting rural communities to urban centers, reducing travel times, and boosting trade across the nation. These roads have also improved access to markets for farmers and ensured faster delivery of essential goods and services. 2. Modern railway system. Traoré revived Burkina Faso's railway sector with a vision to link the country to major economic hubs across West Africa. The modern railway system features upgraded tracks, high-speed trains, and new cargo lines that facilitate trade, transport, and tourism. This ambitious project positions Burkina Faso as a regional transport hub. 3. The Thomas Sankara International Airport, named in honor of the revolutionary leader, the Thomas Sankara International Airport has become a symbol of national pride. Equipped with state-of-the-art facilities and expanded runways, the airport now accommodates international flights and has boosted tourism and business travel to the country. 4. Air Burkina Faso. Traoré rejuvenated Air Burkina Faso, turning it into a flagship carrier of the nation. With modern aircraft and expanded routes, the airline connects Burkina Faso to key African capitals and beyond, fostering regional integration and economic opportunities. 5. Thomas Sankara Museum. The Thomas Sankara Museum is a cultural masterpiece honoring Burkina Faso's revolutionary history. With interactive exhibits, archives, and memorials, the museum attracts scholars, tourists, and Pan-Africanists eager to learn from the nation's past while envisioning a united African future. 6. Bobo Dioulasso Learning Hospital. The construction of the Bobo Dioulasso Learning Hospital transformed healthcare delivery in Burkina Faso. It combines medical treatment with advanced research and training facilities, ensuring that a new generation of doctors and nurses are equipped to serve the population effectively. 7. Mobile clinics. To address healthcare gaps in rural areas, Traoré launched a fleet of mobile clinics. These units provide essential medical services, vaccinations, and health education to remote communities, saving countless lives and improving the nation's overall health indicators. 8. Cotton factory. The establishment of a modern cotton factory has revitalized Burkina Faso's textile industry. It adds value to raw cotton, creates jobs, and promotes exports, making Burkina Faso a key player in Africa's growing textile market. 9. Cement factory. The new cement factory not only meets domestic demand, but also exports to neighboring countries. This has driven down construction costs locally and fueled the building boom across urban and rural areas alike. 10. Gold. Processing and fight against corruption. Under Captain Ibrahim Traore, Burkinabe gold is for the Burkinabe. He declared no gold leaves his country raw. His administration built a state-run gold processing plant to ensure that more of Burkina Faso's gold wealth stays within its borders. Coupled with a robust anti-corruption campaign targeting illegal mining and resource theft, the initiative has increased national revenue and transparency. 11th. Dairy processing. The creation of dairy processing plants has empowered local farmers by turning raw milk into cheese, yogurt, and other dairy products. This has reduced imports and strengthened food security. 12th. Tomato paste processing. Burkina Faso threw its own tomatoes to waste while they continued to import tomato puree from China and the European Union. But under Captain Ibrahim Traoré, Burkina Faso is now processing its abundant tomato harvest into paste and sauces locally. This has cut dependence on imports and created jobs for thousands in the agro-processing sector. 13th, detergent factory. a state-of-the-art detergent factory has lessened reliance on imported cleaning products while making them more affordable for local households. 14. Cashew apple juice. Innovating in the agro-sector, Traoré's government promoted the processing of cashew apples into juice, creating a new export product and reducing post-harvest waste. 15. Electric car. Burkina Faso unveiled its first locally assembled electric car under Traoré, showcasing the country's commitment to renewable energy and technological advancement. 16. Mechanization of agriculture. Traoré has prioritized agricultural mechanization, distributing tractors, harvesters, and irrigation systems to farmers. This has increased productivity and food security across Burkina Faso. 17. Modern irrigation systems. Through focused leadership, Burkina Faso developed modern irrigation systems, turning arid lands into fertile fields and ensuring increased production, creating jobs for the youth and increasing food security. 18. Nuclear energy. Through the visionary leadership of Captain Ibrahim Traore, Burkina Faso has been able to join the world giants like South Africa and Egypt in exploring nuclear energy as a source of clean and renewable energy. Through the country's partnership with Russia, the country has signed agreements to develop nuclear energy plants for industrial energy and medical research purposes. 19. Water reservoirs. Dozens of water reservoirs have been constructed to provide clean drinking water and support irrigation projects, ensuring water security even during dry seasons. 20. Solar projects. Traoré's administration launched extensive solar energy projects, bringing electricity to rural communities and reducing the nation's carbon footprint. 21st. Hydroelectricity power dam. The completion of Burkina Faso's largest hydroelectric dam under Traoré provides clean energy to millions and supports industrial growth across the country. 22nd. Central Bank of Burkina Faso. Establishing the Central Bank of Burkina Faso has strengthened financial independence and allowed the country greater control over monetary policy and economic development. 23rd. The Veterinary Medicine Manufacturing Plant. Under the visionary leadership of Captain Ibrahim Traoré, the country was able to launch the first ever veterinary medicine production plants, addressing the needs of the numerous farmers that keep cattle and other domestic animals. The availability of veterinary drugs will help improve the quality of dairy and meat products. This complements other animals' products factories. 24. Modernization of the army. Burkina Faso's army has been modernized with advanced technology, including Akinci drones and modern weaponry, enabling effective defense against terrorism and insecurity. 25th. Formation of the Alliance of Sahel States. Traoré played a key role in forming the Alliance of Sahel States, a united front of Burkina Faso, Mali, and Niger, to address security and economic challenges in the region. 26. Free education initiatives under Traoré have made primary and secondary schooling accessible to all Burkinabe children, reducing illiteracy and empowering the next generation. 27. Free delivery for all mothers. A healthcare policy offering free delivery services for all mothers has drastically reduced maternal and infant mortality rates nationwide. 28. Awakening of Pan-Africanism. Traoré's leadership has inspired a Pan-African awakening, uniting African nations in pursuit of independence, dignity, and shared prosperity. 29th. Safe clean water for every Burkinabe. Safe and clean water access has been prioritized through boreholes, purification systems, and rural water projects, transforming public health outcomes. 30. Youth Startup Initiatives. A series of youth-focused programs have provided startup capital, training, and mentorship, unleashing a wave of entrepreneurship and innovation among Burkina Faso's young population. So, that is it for now. This man continues to champion real African liberation. What do you think about what he has done compared to your typical African leader? Let's discuss in the comments section.